Spectacular views of Biscayne Bay and Miami River. 1-bedroom, 1-bath. Finally, pool has been restored to be the most amazing and high-end pool of all condos in South Florida. State-of-the-arts had been upgraded with the most advanced equipments. For your services we have concierge 7/24 valet parking services, 2 restaurants at lobby level. Location and luxury could not be better, just crossing the bridge and you are in downtown Miami, also in walking distances to great restaurants on Brickell, Business District, and just blocks away to the entrance to I-95. Do not miss this opportunity.